That's what it's for.
But I will cancel my flight.
Maayong aga mga loves. So ngayong araw is buryo po ako. At dahil buryong-buryo po ako, so andito tayo sa closet. Titingin tayo kung ano nating susuotin. Gusto kong lalabas ng bahay. Gusto kong magpunta sa tindahan. Gusto kong merong bilhin. So let's see mga loves kung anong ganap natin ngayong araw. Samahan nyo na lang kami ni Tami. Kasi gusto kong alis. Pero buti na lang itong asawa ko. Sinamahan ako. So ito yung aking baby Tami nung maliit pa siya. At ito yung mga teddy bear na ano niya sa akin, mga bigay. Tinatawag ko itong maliit little Timmy. Ito yung unang bigay niya sa akin na hindi pa kami nagkikita. In-order niya online. At yung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, yung malaki, yun yung regalo niya sa akin. Or pasalubong pag pick up niya sa akin sa airport. At pagkatapos yun doon sa taas mga loves, nagpunta tayo sa baba para kakain bago aalis. At itong plantain, parang sobrang hinog na siya ba? Pangit pala itong plantain, ipireto kapag sobrang hinog. Mas maganda siyang half hinog, half hindi hinog. O diba hinog? Ayun ko ano yan sa Tagalog. At yun, pagkatapos kong kumain, pagkatapos ni Mr. nag-shower, so nag-drive na ako. Pasahero ko lang siya palagi kasi gusto kong mag-drive. Gusto kong ilabas yung aking stress sa buhay, problema, ganun. So buti na lang itong asawa ko is happy-go-lucky lang ito, no? Pero ayaw niyang sumama dito sa Hobby Lobby kasi gusto kong magpunta dyan. Gusto niyang magpunta sa pit store. Yun, sinamahan ako pero doon siya sa kabilang tindahan kasi ayaw niya dito mga loves. So alam niyo na kung ano yung hinahanap ko. Naghanap ako dito ng mga fake flower mga loves. At may specific akong hinahanap yung cherry blossom, no? Pero meron sila dito, ibang dahon, ibang style. Hindi ko nagustuhan yung iba talaga. So nagtitingin-tingin na lang din ako dito kung anong maganda. Ito siya maganda, ito lagyan ng light at lagyan ng kaunting mga color para sa fall ba, autumn. O diba siya yun. O, ang ganda-ganda yan mga loves. 40% yung mga paninda dito ngayon. May mga 50%. Ganito man sila palagi. Pero alam nyo, mahal siya mga loves. At meron akong idea nito magandang gagawa ng ganyan. Tayo-tayo lang. At nagpunta ako sa mga ganitong area. Yung mga pang fall na autumn color. Maganda talaga siya mga loves. Very colorful. At maganda siyang i-display sa bahay. Pero yung mga presyo hindi maganda. $14 yung mga maliliit lang na mga and then alam nyo na hindi lang pwede isa yung kukunin mo kundi maramihan. At napunta tayo sa ibang aisles. Naburyo at lumabas. Andito na si Mr. Wala akong dala. I don't like what they have.
So you got nothing?
I don't like what they have. I'm looking for a cherry blossom. So. Ay, Tami mo yun. And then what did you got? Busy. What the heck is that? Why the car sounds funny when I turn it on?
I don't know. It sounds funny.
Oh, did you text me? Oh, this is the thing.
It's a camera.
This camera freaking weird. Okay. So, yun mga loves at nagpunta tayo doon sa Hobby Lobby dyan. And then, wala silang kaanik-anik doon. Ay.
I thought we're stopping at ShopRite.
No. Oh, ShopRite?
Yeah.
What are you getting over there? We just went shopping, love. We're just gonna go to Tussi's direct, love.
Okay.
Okay? Instead of ShopRite?
What do you want to do?
Do you wanna do, can we order something instead?
Yeah.
You sure? Or we're gonna have leftover? Or I cook something, or you pick?
No, let's just pick up something.
Oh, my baby. Everybody's bored. What pea pad?
Like a big thing with like fake grass in it.
My goodness, so now what are you gonna do? You know they won't step in it. The fake grass, they're afraid of it.
I'll go on.
For who? For the dog?
Yeah, so when you're gone, if I got a late day, at least I can put it on a tile and I have a place to go pee. That's what it's for.
But I will cancel my flight.
Yeah, that's retarded. I look for the wet feeding dish, but they don't have them.
Don't smoke it,
They
love.
only have for dry.
We do it when we're running, okay. Ay, naku, Tami. Uy!
We only have a dry feeding dish.
What is dry feeding dish?
For dry food.
We have that.
We have a
I need a
feeder.
wet one, that automatic feeder that opens up at a certain time. Well, I had that one at the other house that everybody threw out. The one that folded, I like that. It held the pee-pee pads. I like that one because you can fold it up and put it away. People
Seriously.
threw that out. And they don't have that same one here anymore.
I think we bring it here.
No, we didn't.
I think we did.
No.
I think somewhere
It got
in.
thrown out. No, we didn't.
You sure?
Yes.
Yung double old grill. Yeah, okay. There's a Goodwill over here. And dahil stress ako, ayaw magluto. I don't wanna cook. So my husband is doing what, love?
Stop and get food from the restaurant.
Because your wife doesn't wanna cook. Pero we have leftover, man. You don't-
Any vegetables in your dish? I wonder if they got like a
Salad.
No, I wonder if they have a vegetable dish.
Oh,
Like a
there.
salad. I'll take that romaine lettuce and maybe that fish.
Okay. So, iwan ko na-stress ako mga loves eh. Sumakit yung ulo ko, sumakit yung tangkobo ko. Problema. So ngayon, uwi na kami, galing kami doon sa ano, and then walang nabili. Buti pa si Tommy, he got something. $60. Pee-pee pads for a dog.
The pads is all clean.
Kasi kapag wala na daw ako, andun ako sa Pilipinas, yun daw yung kapag paggamit niya sa mga aso kapag hindi siya makauwi. Eh, kawawa naman na. Feel bad for our babies, eh. Misty will be crying, hon. You know her, hon. She cry a lot. Yun yung asawa ko, mga loves. Buryong-buryo na yan kasi ang tagal ng order niya. Andun siya doon, oh. May laundry mat doon ba? Gusto niyo magpunta doon, mga loves, kasi yung nakuha namin sa garbage, yung nakuha namin sa basurahan, ano po yun siya, yung nakuha sa basurahan, marami po kaming, tawag nito, nakuhang comforter. So ngayon, labhan daw namin kasi para magamit daw sa winter. So ang magaganda pa naman yung mga comforter na yun, sobrang ganda. So ngayon, let's see kung anong nakita niya.
I'm just looking to see how big their machines are.
Where is the laundry?
What's up?
The machine is big?
Yeah.
So you think we can use the thing?
Yeah, but they got a new one down that way.
Oh, there is a new one there?
Yeah, there's a big laundromat down that way.
This is new too.
No, this has been there for a long time. But they got big machines for a comforter, so might as well come here.
I thought that's a pet.
Hmm?
I thought that's a pet thing that you can wash your pets.
Next door is a pet thing.
Ah, okay. Ang ganda ng mga comforter na nakuha namin, and then hindi namin nagagamit-gamit kasi kailangan siyang labhan bago anuhin. And then hindi malabhan dahil sa yung laundry namin, sobrang pang regular na siya nalabahan ba. Hindi siya pang comforter na pang ano talaga. So, baka bukas dalhin namin dyan. Yun na! So, ito yung mga in-order namin. Mga paborito namin na Italian food. And this is our favorite. So, we eat early dahil po, we don't wanna reheat it. Right, love? Because kasi kapag i-reheat, i-preheat na naman namin mga loves, oy. Buti nang kainin na habang mainit pa ba? Nako. How do you call this? Marsala.
No, that's personal.
This is marsala.
This is trio French fries.
This is trio. And so the marsala is with the mushroom, mga loves. And then the trio is
This is totally garlic bread with cheese. So
there's no cheese whatsoever. Oh, there is. So And mga loves, the owner of this is Italian, okay? And then yung isang tindahan doon nag-open, restaurant ba? Itong si Tami, nagtanong si Tami, sabi pa ni Tami, what did you ask them, honey? About the other store?
Success, you know anything about
Do you know anything about
the food that we serve?
the food that is, nagalit man mga loves, oy. Yung mga inorderan ni Tami nito, nagalit sila mga loves. Said, every customer, they come over here. They're asking? I don't know why they're asking me. Nagalit. If I were them, I won't yell or I won't get mad because the customer would say, what kind of restaurant is this? They get mad if somebody will ask about the competition. So, a competition is a competition, right, love?
Yeah, I just figured if somebody was opening a restaurant next to me, I'd want to know what kind of restaurant they're opening so I know.
Yeah. But they don't like somebody asking. So next time, mga loves, if you have a favorite restaurant to go and then they have a competition and then they keep changing names, they keep changing owner, you will be confused. Like curious. You'd ask, so don't ask mga loves kasi the people here is, yung mga tao dito is aggressive. Galit. Nagalit sa customer. Si Tami is they're always their customer pero they don't like what Tami asked. When Tami asked. So palagi pa naman si Tami doon. Itong inorderan namin. Sabi ko, wag na tayong mag-order doon kasi nagagalit. Pangit yung ganyan. Han.
Yeah. You have that too.